911, what's the address of your emergency?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes. 911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm in Salem City, Riverfront City Park. This is the third 911 call I've made today. And everybody's just left the scene. Your police officers took far too long to show up, so there's nobody here. I'm just standing here like a lemon at this point. No interview statements have been taken from the witnesses. They've all left. There's nobody here. It's just me. And it's pointless me hanging out for a police officer at this point because the harassment has ceased at this point. So I just wanted to be polite with you, give you a phone call, just let you know that I'm now leaving the scene because I'm the only one here. I'm standing here like a lemon. Your police officer did not show up. No statements were taken. And everybody that he could have interviewed is gone. So